Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at angles in a quadrilateral. Now in this instance we're given a square, and it's been cut in half twice in two different ways with diagonals. And it's asking what is the value of x. So I know that at each of the corners of a square, I've got a 90-degree angle. So what happens if I were to cut that in half? Well, each side would become 45 degrees. And because this is the same as this, right, the distance from here to the center is the distance as the center to any of the corners because it's a square. So if that's true, well, this is an isosceles triangle, so that therefore these two are the same, leaving me with this in the middle. Now this is going to be equal to 180, the sum of the angles in a triangle, take away 45 and 45, which is 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degrees. We can also see this if I were to extend this out, right, and if I were to almost tessellate this, you better be able to see it, because it's going to make another square. And in making another square, another four-sided square, each of those sides is going to be equal to 90 degrees. And as we know, the angles in a quadrilateral, they sum to 360. So if we've got a four-sided quadrilateral, then each of the sides, so each angle will equal 360 divided by 4, the number of sides, again coming to 90 degrees. In this next question, I'm immediately struck by not knowing how on earth I'm going to get to 2x plus 2. But instead of starting at the end, what I'm going to do is use the information I have to give me as much information or extra information as I can. And what do I know? Well, I know that the interior angles of a quadrilateral, AQ, well, they add up to 360. Okay, so this angle, let's do that in like this, x, this angle here, and this angle here, they're going to sum to 360. So immediately I need to know what's this angle, what's this angle, and what's this angle. Well, the middle two angles are actually pretty easy to figure out, because what we have in the middle is this side equal to this side equal to this side. We've got a regular triangle or a equilateral triangle. So each of these corners is going to be 180 divided by 3, or 60 degrees. So this here is 60, this is 60 as well. And this up here is also going to be 60. Okay, so with that in mind, let's put down as much information as we can. Well, the angles of the quadrilateral, 360, is equal to x plus 50. I'll try and keep them together as much as possible, plus y, plus 60. Right, that's my corner in the bottom left. Bottom right corner is 60 plus y. And the top right corner, I don't know. But actually, what I have here, it's not an equilateral triangle, but it's an isosceles triangle. All right, so whatever y is, right, we're going to have this being equal to 180 minus y divided by 2. Right, because once more, we have this angle being equal to this angle. So two lots of the same angle plus y equal to 180. If we go backwards, we end up with, well, we end up with this here. So let's put this in for now and see if we can't simplify that later. Okay, let's get simplifying. x plus 110 plus 60 plus y plus 180 minus y over 2. Carry on simplifying. X plus y equals 170 plus 180 minus y over 2. Let's move that 170 to the other side. So 360 take away 170 is going to give me 190 equal to x plus y plus 180 minus y over 2. Now what I'm going to do is multiply each side by 2 to get rid of this divided by 2 in that equation. So 380 is equal to 2x plus 2y plus 180 minus y. 2x plus 2y minus y is y plus 180. I'm going to minus 180 from both sides. And that gives me 2x plus y, which, even though I didn't know how I was going to get there, actually gives me this equation here. What's it equal to? It's equal to 200.